Hey everybody. Okay, today what you all have been waiting for, actually for the past couple of couple of years, is how to finish the circle skirt. Yay! I know, I'm so silly. Okay. Here's what two of them look like finished, and these are new. I just recently did these. I'm not even going to try to let you think that these are the ones from a couple of years ago. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do the edge, the trim, and this one's black, so it's a little hard to see. So that you can make these beautiful, awesome, professionally, and once again, this skirt, this is reversible, that one. This is not reversible, but I'm going to show you how to put that edge on there so that it looks really, really great. And no one will know that you made it, or hey, you might really want people to know, yes, of course, you made it. So this is a circle skirt. Gonna show you how to put that edge, that trimming on, and life will be good for everybody. Your most important sewing features and tools, if you're gonna do edging and you want it to be really, really neat, is this little foot bias binding foot is what I think they call it, and I'll put a link on my website as to where you can get these. I got mine online on Amazon, and it was a really good price, and it works really well. If you're going to do, like I said, if you're going to do any type of edging, you really need this device. So I'm just going to take mine and go ahead and attach it to the sewing machine. So now you have your presser foot attached, and I can honestly say it's going to take a little bit of trial and error, so I'd say practice with some scrap fabric and before you get started, so you don't have to pull out stitches. With this particular attachment on your sewing machine for your bias binding, I got the adjustable one. So what you want to do is you just open up the bias binding, and this is the double fold bias binding, and you're just going to slide it into the little slot there. It might be kind of hard to see, but there, see, it's all ready to go in there. And you adjust it here. You might have to open it up all the way and then just slide your bias binding ribbon in just nice and gently. Once you've kind of got it started, just go ahead and push that in there. Then take your fabric, and you're just where you want to start, you want to sandwich it right in between that little strip. Now, there are probably some much better videos on YouTube on how to do this, but I am showing you my way of doing it, and you'll see it's really, really simple. So you're just going to slide your fabric in there. Make sure it goes in all the way. Open that bias so that the fabric will sandwich right in between there. And then just lower your presser foot and start sewing. Go slow at first. Well, probably want to go slow all the way through so you don't have to come back and redo this part again. So let me go ahead and finish this, and then I'll show you what the finished result looks like. But that's pretty much how you get started on putting the edge on your circle skirt with the bias binding. What's also really important when you're using this little device is don't force it. You've got to let this just flow real nice and naturally. Now from this angle you can see how it's almost exactly even from where the fabric is attached to the other end. You can see right here, you can see this is the edge of the fabric and this is the edge of the bias binding. So it's getting it right down the middle, so that means it's catching the fabric on the inside and the outside, so you have a nice, even, really professional looking seam. And ta-da! Here you go. Now you can see you have the edge of your circle skirt. It looks really nice, neat, smooth, and professional, and you are good to go. all nice and ready to go. Now remember, this particular circle skirt, this is not reversible when you buy it on my fabric unless you're using twice as much of the fabric that you would have to order. But this is, once again, this is just on a single skirt that's not reversible. I mean, not reversible, not reversible. So, and that's all there is to it. So you can see it looks really nice. It looks really beautiful. It's a very nice professional looking edging that's easy to do. And remember that bias binding foot that I showed you how to use? You know, get the right one for your machine and you will be fine. So that's all there is to it. That's the edge, what everybody's asked for, how to finish up your circle skirt. Sorry it's taken me so long to get back to you, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.